Yeah, here we go. Yesterday morning got cold, had to rig up this. This is my fabric cobble. It's a little more than I will usually do. I just had to make it happen because the situation. I woke up cold and in a bad mood because I was cold. But just take this apart and bust it down. I got the fix right here. Amazon, once again, not paid for nothing on this. It's just what I bought. It was cheap, like $4. I had two of these connectors. I didn't have four, so it's a little more than I usually do on a fabric cobble. But it had to be done, and I felt that that was good enough at the moment. So, bust this open. This is a side post to top post conversion to use a top post connector, if that makes sense. And they're labeled. You know, I like that about them. Cheap, $4. Now, I don't have a pair of those pliers that you take and like swell these ends out with. Like they make a plier. It goes in there and you can swell them out to, you know, kind of get them all the way down on there. We'll see where we're at. I really got these two batteries to just kind of switch them in and out. So I'm not trying to hurt them too much. Kind of snug it up, see where we're at. This is my other battery out of my other junk car. So we'll see exactly where we're at with it. Now I might have had more connectors on this little fabric cobble, but you know, I was half asleep or whatever, and when you wake up cold, you just need an instant relief. That's just what I kind of did. It was leftover wire. Did the old crimp connection on it. So slap this together and see where we're at as far as having to do anything. Them look like they're a little bit bigger. Nope, that's good enough. You can see that wasn't much, man. I mean, I just had it pulled out, and here's my fabric cobble for 7 o'clock in the morning, and you're cold, and you're mad because you got woke up for being cold. But it's all good. We got the fix. Turn this to where we can use it.